Find the derivative. I'm going to assume if this is x to the 1 and then this is x to the 0. Everybody understand that that's what that would be? Because there's no x there, which would be equal to 1, right? All right. When you're finding a derivative, what you do is you multiply the exponent by this number. So that would be negative 10. And then you reduce this by 1, minus 1. So 10x minus 1, and then this 1 would go to a 0, so it'd be 1. And here this would be a 0, right? 0 times 3 would be 0. So f prime of x is that. So this one, you take the 2 and multiply it by the negative 4, which is negative 8, and then this gets reduced from x squared to x to the 1. And this 1 is times 2, so it's negative 2, and this goes down to x to the 0, and this guy goes away. So f prime of x equals that. So to find the rate of change at that negative 1 point, we first need to find the derivative. So first we find f prime of x, which would be 2x plus 1. Everybody agree with that? And then we plug in the negative 1. So 2 times negative 1 plus 1 is negative 2 plus 1, which is negative 1. So the rate of change at that point is negative 1. And what they're saying is that the curve at that point, well, it's not going to be that way. The slope at that point is the rate of change at that point. So at negative 1, the slope is going to be negative 1. That's what that means.